I think the goal should be not to break it, right? He awoke the sleeping beast.
All right, here we go.
Hey you guys, before we start this video, we want to know what content you want to see us make. So while this video is playing, go into the comments and let us know what ideas you have, and we will make them. But today, we have a very special video, and for those of you guys who don't know us, my name is Gabe Cruz. This is
Fetty.
That's Carlos Lastra over there.
Hi guys.
And that's Uzi Dan. So we're here today with a very special video. If you saw a few weeks ago, we went to Decathlon. It's a really cool French sports store. It has, I think,
French.
Yeah, it is French. It originated there in the 19.
French lattes, huh?
Sure. We bought one of their team skateboards, their full complete skateboards, and we thought that we'd test it out. And the first thing I'd like to say, which is a positive about this, is that even though they did skate stop it,
Not hard to get
perfect, easy removal. Yeah, so we did try one of them, and it was good. They had one of the amateur ones out. This one is the Skateboard Advanced Team Fury. So it has ABEX 7s, 31.5 inch length, which is pretty standard. It's 8.25 inches wide, which is a little bigger than all of us skate, but it seems to be pretty light, and it should be pretty easy to skate. It has 52 millimeter wheels, and I guess has Fury trucks. And then right here it says Decathlon Skateboards. So we love that store. It's a fantastic store. And I've heard from the comments that I was reading that the Decathlon we went to is like a nerfed one. Yeah,
No.
They said like some of the Decathlons in like France have full half pipes in them.
What?
Yeah, that you need to like wear a helmet. But still, like they have a half pipe in a store and let you freaking shred it. Like how can you go wrong with that? Fetty, based on your professional experience, what do you think of this so far?
The plastic wrapped it.
Yeah, I know.
Team effort here. Team effort, guys. No,
Look at got bleach on my pants.
What do you think?
Standard 7 ply, so it feels good.
Feels pretty good. The wheels are hard to tell at the moment.
Have wheels?
The trucks feel pretty solid. It has Allen key hardware.
Who's Alan?
The only thing that kind of gets in my head is that there's a little grip cutout right here.
I like that.
And the grip definitely looks like Nigel cut it.
Basically a perfect grip job.
Confirmed.
All right, shall we kickflip challenge this, brothers? Let me just get this off my chest. This may be the first time that we do not have to loosen or tighten the trucks.
Wow.
They're pretty tight.
Oh, they're perfect.
They're nice. Hey, look at that.
Second.
Okay. It was supposed to tweak.
Oh, with the hand stees. There you go.
Yes, let's see here. Standard skateboard, okay.
I planned this. I gave up my turn so I can study the pros and cons of everyone else that was trying to kickflip. And now I will land the perfect kickflip.
Are you calling me a con because I'm not pro?
These trucks are so tight. I don't know about this board, man. This board's just slightly weird. I gotta get used to it. I gotta get used to it. It's the 825 that's in my head right now. I don't know how I can double flip this.
Okay, let's see here. I'm analyzing standard skateboard.
Let's just go get this game to skate on.
Okay, me too.
I'm first again.
I'm last.
Almost the same order.
All right, so I want to do a little more skating in these videos, so we're playing a game of flat ground skate because that's all I do. We're gonna do a flat ground game of skate first, and then these guys are gonna shred the park and do whatever they want on it to actually put it to the test. I think the goal should be not to break it, right? Don't break the Decathlon skateboard. If you do, I'm buying you. Whoa! I can't fully ride on this board yet. I think that was the best shove of my life.
What you trying to do?
I'm sorry, brother. What is the definition of decathlon? Siri, define decathlon.
An athletic event taking place over 2 days. Each competitor takes part in the same prescribed 10 events.
Thank you, Siri. As long as we land 10 tricks, then it counts as a decathlon. If you ever want to know Uzi origins, Area 51, one of the scientists got seduced by an alien, and you know what happened next. Whoa! I did not want to lose my turn.
Splat body. I'm gonna get splat bodied right here.
After going on a full vacation with Uzi and Fetty, they're like thing 1 and thing 2 from the Cat in the Hat.
He almost got everybody.
That was great. I mean, it wasn't good, but like it popped great.
That was violent.
That was the hardest part.
That was a very nice tray flip.
Thank you.
I landed really hard on the tail and I didn't want to break it, so I jumped off.
Despite the tight trucks and the weird sound, it's a really good board. This board, bro. I'll tell you.
What do I have, eh?
That's the best part about this game is that Fetty goes onto his regular board and has landed every trick he missed on his actual board.
This board is a tactic.
Wow. That was hard. The trucks are tight, so I actually had to pop it instead of curling into it. I had to make sure I could full cab because I wanted to half cab flip next.
You want to stomp that any harder next time?
Maybe I need to move to an 825. Seriously, dude, this feels great.
What you doing?
Say goodbye to my turn. Ah, I knew I wasn't gonna get that. God dang it.
I knew you were going to do that. I don't know how I landed that, but I think I pulled a rib.
All right, here we go.
Right, I'm not supposed to be screaming. Please cut that out. Did you see the aliens? The little Martians, the invisible Martians came and took it away from him mid-trick.
Yoinked it. Yoink.
Oh, yoink! I was making myself laugh. What's up? You want to come steal my trick, boy? All right, let me show you how it's done, big little fella. God, that was the best one, Dan. That was gonna be the best one. Oh, I almost passed out. Give me a sec. Ah!
That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, nobody saw it.
If I miss all double flips from now on, we're going for him now. He awoke the sleeping beast. You know what happens? Gabe comes in here, and yes, I'm talking about myself in the third person. I come in here and try to have a good time. And then Carlos comes at me sideways, and then I go, you know what, little Los Litos? You can't even double flip an 8-inch. You think you can double flip an 825? Crazy. Well, get me started, Dan.
If you lose with these, do you really lose?
Oh, there's so much anger. There's so much anger. You ever like get in an argument with someone and then think of all the best things you could have said like 2 hours after the argument? That's me thinking of all the tricks I could have done on him.
Oh, that's how you're gonna do me?
Look at this. The aliens said, Gabe, we're gonna send you back in time and give you another chance. Little Martians, I'm gonna land it for you. I like this thing. See, that's what I wanted to do. I don't know how they do that, man. That makes no sense.
A double.
Thank you.
It looks pretty dolphin from this screen.
I'm gonna get Carlos out today.
Dang.
Ladies and gentlemen, we almost had him. How you gonna do, Uzi? The Martian? I wanted to have faith, but it's clear that he can't switch flip after that. Are you kidding me?
He's bored, dude.
He sprained his ankle.
His ankle went. That was so stupid.
He's gonna be out for a month now. He's definitely going to the doctor to get an x-ray now. I can't believe that happened. All right, well, we did all the flat ground skating we could ever want. You guys wanna take it around?
The truck hit me in the nostrils of my arm. I just cannot land on this board.
You land. I got your back.
I gotta redeem myself. Ow, yeah, my ankle is definitely sprained. That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
We're having a nice group session on this there hit. And it's 825, so you'll like it.
You'll love it.
Oh, you better land that.
I will.
I think you're good.
I think we're all right.
Didn't sound good.
Tom Cruise.
Yo, are you and Tom Cruise related?
If you want his back, I got your back.
I was gonna tray flip to 5. I don't know if I can do
okay,
it
all right,
first
let me
try.
get
Yeah,
this
yeah, dude.
Thought my elbow hurt, but that was a myth.
Alright, brother, I'm getting out of here. This is with tight trucks. I don't know how people skate tight trucks. I really don't get it.
You tray flip it first try, I'll kick flip it.
Okay, but it's tight truck.
Do you understand what I just offered you?
You're gonna kick flip this? Yes! Wait, the 5? Yes! I thought you were talking about the 3. Oh, man.
I'll full send it one
Let me
time.
do one on flat, see how this goes. Alright, brother.
One try, and if you land it, I'll full send a kick flip.
Gang Cruise, kick flip! No! Ah, well, we don't get to see a Gang Cruise kick.
If you do it this time, you'll heel flip it.
That was cool.
Hey.
What is happening here?
I don't know, he's not landing a tray flip. It's weird. You don't even know what I'm about to try. Oh my god! Hey, guess what though? Didn't feel a thing. For you, Dan.
Alright, one more try, one try. One try before I leave.
What are you doing, Nigel?
One try.
What are you? What?
Dang it.
Do it, Dan!
dunk it. I gotta dunk it. Okay, ready for me to dunk it, brother?
You better land it.
Last try I forgave. He believed in me and I've been letting him down. I've never done this.
Okay! Get that!
Wait again. Oh my God. Right here, brother. I want this game.
I want it too! Oh, he did. Little like puncture wound. All right, you guys, after a full game of skate and an insane session, the Decathlon board has not broken. Well, a little damage. Nothing that a ordinary board would not experience. There's some videos right there. Go check them out, subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you guys learn how to skateboard. So you can do all of those amazing tricks, like a double kickflip down the 5-stair, just like Fetty Potter.
Hey, that's me.